Y'all see we have the frame set up with our swing arm. Our shock is on the swing arm. Our rear linkage that's bolted on. So we're gonna try to set the motor on this bike. Also, we're gonna go ahead and install this bolt through our swing arm linkage. Slide him right through there. Y'all see we had to tap it in there. You wanna give it a little turn to where you want to turn it to where that bolt is going to be locked in place once it falls in line. Turn on that. Go ahead and install our nut and washer. Got it. We got our linkage locked down on bike and swing arm. I'm gonna try to get this motor on here.
You found the nut? Came in right there, but then put the screw on in it. That ain't it.
Let me see. Let that go. Let it go. Let me see what they're gonna do. Show them all of it. Y'all see we got our spacers on top of our bearings right here in our swing arm. We're gonna install one on this side as well. Install the spacer right here. Now we're gonna install our swing arm and our motor at the same time. Alright, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and set our motor in place. Alright, y'all, see we got our motor in place. We're gonna slide a stud through the front of our motor. We got one through. We're gonna slide one through our bottom. Slide the bottom stud through there. Now we're gonna slide our stud for our swing arm that holds the motor in place as well. swing arm lined up. Now we're gonna go ahead and push our bolt through, all the way through the swing arm, all the way through our case. Got a little model hammer right here. We're gonna get a little tap on here. We're hitting our case, so we gotta come down some. Hold that motor up. Let me see. Alright, we're gonna slid through there. Alright, we're gonna turn that bolt.
Jan Brown, King Hero.
Alright, we're gonna turn our setup some more. We're gonna run him all the way through there. Alright guys, so we got our engine on our frame. It's gonna look like something now, huh, nephew? Alright y'all see it. So that's looking good, guys. Y'all see it. Got our motor on the bike, swing arm on there. So right now, we're just gonna go ahead on and alright guys, so now we're on our sprocket gear. So we're gonna install this sleeve. Now we have our rubber seal. I'm gonna install him. Right, now that we have him on, go ahead and put our sprocket in place. Alright guys, so y'all see we installed our sprocket gear. We got our cylinder on there. We have our head, new piston. We have our shock in place, swing arm in place, motor on the bike. So next, we're gonna be I guess trying to get some wheels on it and get this motor buttoned up the rest of the way. So if you like the video, make sure you comment, subscribe, and what else to do, nothing?
You gotta push the button.